Alright, so I've been working on this color mix tool that will be used to take files from Simplify or anything that produces standard GCode with tool sets, to go ahead and convert those into the appropriate commands for the Crane Quad or any other color mixing printer, really. So let's just kind of go through a really quick setup of this and how it works. And so first things first is you'll actually want to come into Vox, and we're just using this so that I can demonstrate that Vox will be able to bring in the G-code and display the color. So here I'm using white on my filament 4, so up here I'm going to go ahead and match that. So we can actually just go through, we'll slide that all out to get white, and we're good. We just want it matching so that the colors will go ahead and match when we display the demo here. So inside of Simplify 3D, I've imported a Pac-Man Ghost, and I've gone ahead and assigned him to a couple tools. So in my other video I kind of walked through how to configure this. So for tool 1, I go ahead and set the primary extruder for tool 1. In my case, I'm going to use T4 for all of my infill, just for this demo. You can do whatever you want. So we'll go ahead and tool 1 is going to be the body. Tool 2 is actually set for the eyes, and we have tool 3 is set for the mouth. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and do a prepare to print, and since models are only selected on tool 1, tool 2, and tool 3, we'll select that one and ignore T4. T4 will come in as infill, but it doesn't hold any of the models, and we don't want it to attempt to replicate all of the models within itself since nothing's selected. So I'm going to hit OK. So over here you'll see the colors don't really mean anything outside of the tool that they're being printed with. So the body's tool 1, the eyes are tool 2, the mouth is going to be tool 3, and the infill is our tool 4, which you'll see there. So what we can do is we'll go ahead and save this out. Now that's going to just be standard G-code, and in this tool here that I've been working, you'll be able to bring in that G-code, and it's going to parse out that there was 4 tools within that file, and it's going to go ahead and let us select colors for those tools. So what I'm going to do really quick is everything's just set to default blue, so I'll go ahead and save that, and we'll bring that in here, and you'll see there's no color, that's just the blue, because all of the tools are currently assigned to be blue for the mix. So what we can do is we'll come in here and we'll set some color ratios just to get some colors. I'm just going to use my white for my infill, for example. Let's do a 50-50 mix there, and let's do a 50-50 mix there, just to kind of showcase the coloring. So I'm going to overwrite that file and save it, and I'm going to bring it into Voxelizer, and you'll see it's actually picked up the colors. So you'll remember tool 1 was the body, which is kind of our blue. The infill is white, which is our tool 4. And then the eyes were tool 2, so you'll see those are green. And then tool 3, which was the mouth, is this kind of red color. So they'll come in approximately the same color set. It's going to be using those ratios to display the colors. That's really about all you need to do to use this tool. You don't need to use Vox. That G-code file that's been colorized is ready to go to the printer. So this gives you a way to use Simplify without having to go through a lot of hassle to get the color in. So enjoy!